It's like not even tight. I'm gonna tighten that up. Get a good ground and hopefully maybe it'll be a little better. The engine is still stuck. I thought maybe we could try to bump the starter, but maybe the starter's froze. I don't know. We tightened it. Let's hook the cables back on. Maybe the battery needs more. I just want to hear this thing just turn over once. Their disappointment. Okay, we're gonna try. Maybe it's just so. I can't believe how stuck this is. Maybe it's just so stuck that it's not even wanting to do. I wonder if O'Reilly has them in stock. Hopefully this works. It's weird. Maybe it didn't need that. Can't get to do anything. It's gotta be an electrical something somewhere.